Hey guys, I'm gonna do the helium challenge, so yeah, if you laugh, comment in the comment section saying that you laughed, because I've never done this before, so yeah, let's get into it. Okay guys, sorry about the lighting, it's not very good and it looks very blurry, but let's go.
Hello guys, what the heck is happening to my voice? Oh my, oh, what the heck? That sounded so funny. Hello guys, and today it's Mr. Random back with another video. Did you laugh at this? Because if you did, comment in the comment section. I don't know what's happening to my voice. Like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Peace.